Okay, this is what is going on, guys. Our outdoor stove is in the making. As you can tell, guys, we have constructed this outside kitchen stove. It's in the process right now. It's drying up, as you can tell. These two holes here is where I'm going to put firewood. So far it has two entry, but as you can tell, inside it's open. DIY, guys. We are trying to construct this. You remember I've been cooking with 3 stones, but now we are trying to advance a little bit. So we put here, we need a little bit more cement to kind of finish the project. But now this is where we are, guys, and right now I'm going to spray water. I have water here. Oh, you know, I am going to spray water because, you know, cement needs water so it doesn't crack. So I'm spraying water. Maybe in 2 days we are going to finish it up, so that we can put the top. I'm going to show you a top in a little bit, but let me make sure that I have put plenty of water here so our stove, it doesn't crack. So what my hubby did, he just put, we did not use bricks. Actually, we used stones because I wanted to be natural. I wanted to be outdoor, you know, kitchen. I just wanted to be authentic and just have stones. I didn't want to use the bricks, and these are the natural stones that we had before, but now I guess we have to use the stones. So this is how you construct, just DIY, you know, just kind of figure it out. And I'm so happy for my happy because he can figure out how to make outdoor stove. So very soon we are going to start cooking here. I think, guys, this water is enough. What do you think? The water is enough right now. So yeah, so this is good enough for today. So let me just turn it off. Yay, this is our house. Let me just turn this water off. Yeah, so yeah, this is how it looks like. And we're using this kind of stones here. These are the kind of stones like this one here we were using, and I'm so glad this stone have been sitting somewhere actually doing nothing, but I guess now they have work. So let me go ahead and show you how the top looks like. Oh well, guys, this is how the top looks like. It's so heavy. There's a shade here, but if you can tell all the way it has 2 openings here. Remember my pot, which means I'm going to use 2 pots here. I can be cooking here corn flour. I can be cooking here. I can be boiling milk here. I can be making my tea in one stove. I can be making something else, or frying my eggs on another top. So guys, so this thing right here, this thing is gonna go on top of that outdoor stove over there with stones. And guys, my happy is so creative. So this is what is coming up with. So I told you I'm gonna keep updating you the project. It's not finished yet, but this is where we are. I figured out that I needed to update you a little bit, and we have some firewood ready here waiting. We have so many, a lot of firewood, guys, and you did not watch my video of the firewood. What are you waiting for, guys? Go ahead and watch and see how we collect the firewood, free firewood actually, and that video did so well, and you guys responded with that video so well. So far it's Sunday, it's windy, and I always show you my pears, how they're doing, what's going on. Oh my goodness, in my backyard. So far everything is going so well, and this other pear is doing so well. So I have 2 trees, guys, of pears here, and actually they're doing so well. They're coming up well. However, I'm seeing one thing here where the trees are drying up. Guys, if you know what's happening with these trees, my pears drying up, some leaves are drying up. I don't know if it's a fungus. Let me know what kind of fungus is this. Let me show you how it looks like when it's dry. Look at those trees, leaves are drying up. but so far the pears are doing so well, but only I can see like the trees the leaves are drying up. Like for example, this leaf here is drying up and I don't know why. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. What I'm doing right now, I'm just gonna chop it and put it down so that it doesn't infect the whole pear. So let me know what kind of infection is this, or fungal or something. Oh guys, I'm looking up there, the birds are fighting. I think it's a hawk. As you can tell guys, they're actually fighting and I'm just watching. My gosh, that's crazy. I don't know if you can see it. Actually they're fighting. I think there are two of them. Okay, one is coming over there. This is crazy, but hey, that's how it looks like. And guys, my seat right now is too hot. I can't sit out there, but I need to make a shade for this swing set right here. Actually they're fighting. I'm just watching them. Yeah, so that's how everything looks like. I just wanted to give you a quick update about my stove. How is the stove doing so far? I just poured water here. It's doing so well. It's under construction and I can't wait guys to show you the whole thing. How this thing right now, it looks weird, but when we are going to finish it guys, we are going to love this thing, because over here is where we're gonna put our firewood. So our firewood is gonna be coming like this. So we're gonna be putting firewood in here and more firewood here. So one entry, two entries, but over there's a space, and I hear that it's gonna have a chimney, like an opening where the smoke is gonna come out. Guys, I love this kind of projects. I'm a village girl. I just want to bring a village life, you know, to America. I miss my village cooking. I miss my village outdoor. That's why I'm trying to do here. Guys, you can have a garden. Look at that. My garden is doing so well. Spring onions, guys. These are beans. They're doing so well. Those are beans, yeah. Beans are doing so well. Spring onions are doing so well. These are other beans, okay? There's more beans here. Those are collard greens over there. So more beans here are doing so well. The mint is doing so well, guys. This is May here in America. I guess May with a little bit of rain, everything is doing so well. Guys, look at those kales. They're very healthy, coming up really good. I have types of kales here. There's another type there. So these are different types. So we are doing so well. So today's video, actually I wanted just to kind of update you about this stove, because I've been wanting to update you for a while, but I've been busy. But today I had a chance. I'm like, this Sunday I just want to give you guys an update how this outdoor, in case you want to construct yours. So for those people who wants to come here to America, you see, you can do a lot here in America. You can bring your village life here. So America is not lonely. It's a lonely place, but you can create your own life, I can say. So this is my own life, and that's the good thing about America. Is like you can do anything that you want as long as you follow the law of the land. You can be okay. So this is where we are. Guys, comment below. Any question, let me know. Okay, from my backyard with our stove. I guess guys, my name is Umoto Lifestyle. Originally I come from Kenya, but now I live here in the US for the longest, and I'm here to bring you the kind of lifestyle you can live here in America. You can have fruit, you can enjoy life, you can even cook outside, you can make your stove in outside, okay? And guys, make sure you turn on your notification for the update of this stove and more other videos and vlogs. And make sure you share the videos, guys. And I'll see you guys, and subscribe guys. We are doing so well. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.